नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Okay, so last week I conducted test, but most of them didn't send the answer sheet to me. I'm so sad about you. Okay, my dear kids. Even third grade students, they sent more papers, but from 8th grade you are the seniors of our school. But then even I didn't get a full students paper. I am so sad. I didn't expect this from you people. More students, I don't want to say the name. Okay dear, please give importance for the teachers what they are telling. We are struggling and taking classes for you. Give importance for that. What for us, what purpose if we are taking class and all? For you people only we are taking class. For that you are not giving any importance, means what's the need for us to take class? So give importance for the teaching. Okay, give importance for learning. Please learn. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, today we finished 2 lessons. In first lesson, we finished the home test. Still, so many are there. They didn't show me the notes. I'm so sad. Okay. Then second lesson also we third lesson second we skipped, and third lesson we finished. Then notes I gave, revision also over. So please learn by writing and writing. Okay, then today we are going to study the fourth lesson, Diwanon ki Hasti. Diwanon ki Hasti means nature of mad people. Mad means, Diwano means like what we will say, those who are spreading happiness to others. Those who are spreading happiness to others. About them only, what is the nature of them? What is the character of them? What is the character of that mad person? Mad here it is telling like they are happy in madness, like that. So they are giving happiness to others. How they are giving happiness? You see that. You write take page number 20. Write on the up of it today's date 23/10/2020, Shukravar, right there. Name of the lesson, title of the lesson, Diwanon ki Hasti. Nature of mad person. Okay. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले, मस्ती का आलम साथ चला, हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले, मस्ती का आलम साथ चला, हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले. They are telling, a poet is even telling him as the Divana. He is all even a Diva, like he is even a mad person. He himself explaining him as the Divana. He is telling that हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती. Our nature is what? We the mad people having what nature? हस्ती means nature. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ. Sometimes we will be, today we are here, कल वहाँ चले, कल tomorrow we will go somewhere else. आज means today. है आज यहाँ, today we are here, कल tomorrow वहाँ चले, somewhere we will go. We can't stay in one place. Today if we are here means tomorrow we will be somewhere else. मस्ती का आलम साथ चला. With us what it is coming? Happiness also, entertainment also. Masti. What masti? Entertainment. Entertainment also coming with us. Alam. What is the meaning of alam? World. That entertainment, the world of entertainment also are coming with me. So where I am going, there I am spreading everything, and with it is coming with me in the whole world. We are entertaining the whole world. Masti ka alam saath chala. Masti, that world, that happiness is coming in whole world. Hum dhool udate jaham chale. Wherever we are going, we are giving the happiness. Dhool udana means spreading the Dhul here it is telling that we are spreading the happiness. Dhul means like dust we will say, but here it is explaining like they are spreading the happiness. So because of that, those who is entertaining, so in between our friends also somebody will be there, isn't it? Like always laughing and always telling jokes and all, they are giving happiness for us, isn't it? Sometimes they will be with us, sometimes they will be with others, so they are always keeping others happy. So like that only this poet also is explaining him as a entertainment person. He is telling that I can't stay in one place. I am spreading the happiness everywhere in the whole world. Today if I am here means tomorrow I will be somewhere else. Like that. Okay, then next para you see my dear kids. Aaye bankar ullas abhi. Now aaye bankar ullas abhi. When I am coming, everyone will be very happy. Ullas. Happy. Asu. Tears. Aaye bankar ullas abhi. When it is coming, when that person is coming near to us, we will be very happy, isn't it? Asu bankar bah chale abhi. आंसू बनकर बह चले अभी. सब कहते ही रह गए. When they are leaving, it will be like they will cry, isn't it? So that person, if they are with us means we will be very happy, and when they are going means we will be sad. सब कहते ही रह गए. When so that time when they are leaving, that person is leaving, that time they used to ask, अरे तुम कैसे आए, कहाँ चले, how you came and where you are going, how you came, how you are giving this happiness to everyone, where you are going to give that happiness, like that they used to ask. Like that poet is telling. So those who are giving happiness, they won't stay in one place, and they are spreading happiness everywhere. When they are coming, they are giving happiness, and when they are leaving, we will be sad. So when they are leaving, we used to ask, where you are going, man, from where you came, how you are giving this and all, like that. Then third para, किस ओर चले यह मत पूछो. Then that time that person is replying to that people, किस ओर चले, where we are going, don't ask, यह मत पूछो, don't ask. चलना है बस इसलिए चले, we want to go so that we are going. चलना है बस इसलिए चले, we want to go so that we are going. जग से उसका कुछ लिए चले, what we have that we want to give for the world. Jag means world. World. जग से उसका कुछ लिए चले. From the world, if anything we are getting, what they are getting others happiness. From those who are giving happiness, they are getting also happiness from others. So what they are getting, जग से उसका कुछ लिए चले. Some what we are getting from the world, that we are getting from the world and going. जग को अपना कुछ दिए चले. What we can give to the world, that we are giving and going. So they are giving happiness to the world, and they are getting happiness from the world and going, isn't it? So they are telling, don't ask that kiss or chale, where we are going, don't ask. We want to go, so we are going. Whatever we can give, like that we are giving, and whatever we can get it, we are getting. This is telling about the happiness, those who are entertaining us, about them only explaining here. Okay, that much only. So those who are giving happiness to us, coming and entertaining us and going, we don't know that from where they are coming and for what purpose they are coming, but they are giving us happiness. That much only we know. So only 2-3 para is enough for today, my dear kids. Read well. If any doubt is there, you ask. 3 more para is there, that we learn in the next class. Then lesson 3, please write and learn 5 times. Write 5 times and learn lesson 3. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, then if anything else means, you can call me or text me. Those who didn't finish the notes, please finish the notes and send it to me for signing. Okay, don't waste your time. Keep see, playing time, play, but rest of the time please study something and respond for the teachers. That is very important. Okay, respond for the teachers and send whatever the teachers are telling. Okay, give important for the teachers what they are telling. Please obey the parents, please obey the teachers. That's all for today. Dhanyavad, my dear kids.